Here's a roughed up piece of paper, and here it is cleaned up in Photoshop. And then here it is with the innards of the paper erased. Here is a fantasy looking map I made in ArcGIS Pro, but I want to make it look papery like it's on an old tattered hunk of paper. So I'll insert a picture and I'll drag its shape to cover the layout. Now the aspect ratio is maintained, so open the properties of the picture, go to the placement and choose unlock. This will let it stretch, and then we'll drag this underneath our map. And now you can see that there's map content spilling off the page, which isn't cool. So let's duplicate this, and instead of the background image, let's pull in that foreground image. There you go. Check the description below for resources.